One Color Food Challenge, Red Edition. Welcome to the One Color Food Challenge, where your meals go monochrome and your creativity takes flight. This week, we're diving into the fiery, passionate world of red. Not only will your taste buds get a workout, but your root chakra, Muladhara, will thank you for the extra energy boost. Why red? Red symbolizes energy, strength, and grounding. In the chakra system, red aligns with the root chakra located at the base of the spine. This chakra is your foundation. It governs your sense of security, stability, and connection to the earth. When balanced, you feel grounded, safe, and ready to take on anything life throws your way. Eating red foods can stimulate this chakra, energizing your body and mind. So, get your red game on and comment your favorites of red food you love, and remember to share this challenge and have fun while creating your best red food. Rules of the game. 1. All food and drinks must be red. From snacks to meals, keep it crimson. 2. No artificial cheats. Red M&Ms don't count, though we feel your pain. 3. Stay creative. This challenge isn't just about survival. It's about making Instagram-worthy meals. 4. Have fun. Food is joy, even if it's just 50 shades of tomato. What can you eat? Here's where the fun begins, getting creative with naturally red foods. Some ideas to get you started. Breakfast. Red berry smoothie. Strawberries, raspberries, cranberries, with beet powder for an extra punch. Red quinoa porridge topped with pomegranate seeds. Lunch. Tomato soup spiced with cayenne pepper for a root chakra kick. Beetroot salad with red radish, red onions, and a splash of raspberry vinaigrette. Dinner. Stuffed red bell peppers with red rice and sun-dried tomatoes. A lobster or red snapper with a side of roasted red potatoes. Snacks and drinks. Watermelon slices or cherry tomatoes to nibble on. A glass of red grape juice or hibiscus tea. Challenges to watch for day 1 might feel like a picnic, but by day 3 the struggle gets real. You'll dream of foods in forbidden hues, yellow bananas, green salads, or creamy white pasta. But stick with it. Remember, you're not just eating. You're energizing your root chakra and grounding your inner self. The chakra connection. The root chakra thrives on the fiery energy of red. Eating red foods can help ground you when life feels chaotic, boost your confidence and physical vitality, reconnect you to nature and the earth. If you feel unbalanced, this red food adventure might just realign your energy and keep you firmly rooted. What's your red masterpiece? Now it's your turn. What wild, creative, or downright weird red dishes would you whip up? Could you handle a week of seeing red on your plate? Drop your ideas and let's see how far your imagination can go. Next up, green, the color of health, harmony, and the heart chakra. Ready to go green? Stay tuned.